Welcome to another adventure of Wright Deck Builders. Today we have just a little bit of a public service announcement. I know it doesn't look like deck season, but it's going to be here before we know it, only in about a month from now. So you got some decisions to make, right? What kind of decking are you going to put on that new deck? It's got to be TimberTech. They got the best warranty in the business. Don't hire drunk Uncle Bob to install your decking. Hire a certified TimberTech installer like me. That way, anything goes wrong with it, they'll pay me to take it out and to replace it. Other decking manufacturers are going to replace the decking, and you're on your own. You want to talk more about this kind of stuff and about your decking options, come see us at the home show, March 17th through 19th. At Orange County Community College. TimberTech, baby. We'll see you there.